Good morning everyone. Today I'm gonna do a video about how to use the Japanese rice cooker to cook the perfect rice we desired from beginning to the end, including how to rinse, measure and cook the rice, and also after you cook the rice, how to care for this rice cooker. This rice cooker, I had it about 2 or 3 years ago. I loved it. The length is about 30 centimeters. The depth is about 20 and the width about 20 as well. It's got a little lid like this. When you open it, you hear a click. And you got these bits. Next, we're gonna do a rice cooking later on. I'm gonna show everyone how to really care for this after you cooking the rice. Okay, inside you got this cooking bowl. I take it out. It looks like this. You got white, brown, sweet, and slow cook. I haven't used slow cook yet, but put it back. When you wash the rice, try not to wash it in this bowl, because rice can ended up scratch the inner liner of this. Okay, after cooking rice, I normally is push this upwards, this button. I show everybody again. Push this button, just gently lift it up. Then this one is full of hot water. I'm gonna show everybody later. When you put this back, when it's dry, you see this inner layer. I show everyone. It looks like little steps. It's in there. We're gonna put it straight in there, like this. Push it in, right in. Then you can hear this click, which means it's back in again. Push up. Okay. Now let's cook some rice. So I use this plastic container to rinse my rice out, so wouldn't scratch it. Even if it does, it doesn't really matter. This little measuring cup come in with the machine. I'm gonna measure a full cup first. Okay, that's a full cup. Then I'm gonna measure half a cup. So I fill this container half full. That'll do. That's the perfect size for 2 of us. I would like to soak my rice in cold water, rinse them a few times, then I cook it. It's just my habit. The longer you leave it in cold water, the softer it will become. I normally let it soak about half an hour to 40 minutes. I rinse my rice about 2 or 3 times until it's not that cloudy. The water is kind of clear. But my mom and my grandma always say to me, you don't want it too clear. The nutrients is in the water, because a lot of Chinese people use the water for flowers. It's kind of a fertilizer for them. Now I'm gonna transfer my rice into our cooking bowl. That's this one. It marked white, 1 portion, 2 portion, 3 or 4. Maximum is 5 portions. Mine is 1.5, so it'll be alright. This rice is Uncle Bean's rice. A lot of English people may prefer this one. Chinese people, most of the people like a little bit softer. So I'm gonna leave it to the waterline, the mark 1.5. That's just in the middle between 1 and 2. Close the lid. So now we are ready to go. Okay, now switch it on. I'm gonna show everyone first, because in UK you have summertime and winter time. If you want to reset the time, once the rice cooker is switched on, just press up button or down button. You can change the time easily. So either 1 hour in front or 1 hour behind. Leave it while the clock stop flashing, that the time is set. The time changing button is on the time setting, 2 arrows. And also when we press menu button now, I'll show everyone, now it's on premium white, quick, sushi, sweet, or mixed or green. When I press it, you see the little arrow on the main screen moves to sweet, brown, GABA brown. Now I'm gonna set it to white. if you set it to premium cooking, it takes much longer. Okay, now press time setting. I would like my rice to be ready exactly at 6 o'clock. If you press the time setting, that's 10 minutes slot. Okay, once start flashing, means it'll be ready. I set the timer. I press start button, it will start cooking. Now it's 6 o'clock. You can see it's set 0, which means rice is ready. Okay, I switch it off first before I do everything. If I suggest everybody, unlike me, it's a bit hot at the moment, you can leave it for 1 hour or 2, then you do it. Take this thinning out, you can see there's some water condensation still in the rim. I leave it here for it to dry out. Okay, oh, won't stand up. Then now what I do is use a little bit of kitchen towel to wipe it off. Or you can leave it overnight, water will evaporate anyway. I wipe this bit, there's a little hole. I put my kitchen towel there. Gonna lift this up. Be careful now because I do it straight away. It's a bit hot because I'm forgetful. Give a little bit of shake. All the water from this thinning, it all come out. Give a little bit of shake. I do the same. Leave it with the round thinning. Then I put it back the next morning. Also give a little bit of wipe there. So job done pretty much. Enjoy the rice now. If we don't want to set the timer, we just press menu. See, it's premium. It's white rice in there. Quick cook sushi, short grain mixed thick. So today I'm brown, GABA brown. I'm just gonna do white. Then press start. You set it to be premium, it will take much longer than this. For me, I always use the timer, so I'll go to work. When I finish work, I know exactly my rice will be ready at an exact time. But if you don't want to use the timer, once you press menu, it's stopped, the little arrow stopped at white or premium. Just press start, then you hear the sound. Dun, 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 dun. Leave it. It will be ready about 40 to 50 minutes, a roughly figure, and the premium is about an hour and 20 to 30 minutes. Cook GABA brown takes much longer, so I figure out premium and white. White takes much shorter time than premium white, but tastes almost the same. So I normally put it on white. Okay, that's how I figure out how to use this. And sorry about the noise at the background, is my tumble dryer. Hope this video is helpful to you for home who is thinking about buying one of this. This is quite a good rice cooker, I think. I normally put it under the cupboard to protect a little bit and also keep it out of the way. And thank you very much for watching Big Fat Bunny's video. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Thank you very much. Bye for now. Bye.